some information. Yeah, it's got information. I don't want you to be informed. I want you to be inspired. I want you to be inspired. Can Halloween be both fun and spooky? It can with this haunted house. You can make it too in under an hour and for less than $10. I've seen several creators do haunted houses using a haunted house wood cutout. However, I couldn't find any, so I decided to use this regular house that's a standard offering at Dollar Tree. Well, actually I bought two because I want to try to do a sort of 2D look. I started by painting the windows and a door with glow-in-the-dark paint. Now initially I was going to do an oval dormer style window, but I couldn't get the edges even, so I quickly just changed to a square. So I saw this netting with gold spider webs at Dollar Tree and picked it up, not knowing at all what I was going to do with it. So for the haunted house, I decided to cut out some of the different sizes and angles of the webs and attach them in strategic places using Mod Podge. I also outlined the windows and door with this purple glitter squeeze paint. I actually grabbed it on a whim from the checkout line at Michael's because I just really love the combo of black and purple for Halloween. I am so glad that I did. I also wanted to add a dripping look along portions of the roof with both the purple glitter paint and the glow-in-the-dark paint, so I propped the house up on a plate rack. It worked great, although not so great for filming. And I'll add that the purple outline for the windows and door was still wet, so now my panes are a little saggy, but that's okay for a haunted house. The next step was to use my wood blocks to achieve a 2D look. I put 2 stacks of 2 along the bottom edge so I had a good base for the house to be able to sit upright. An option would be to hang it from the wall, but I knew that I wanted this to be a tabletop piece. I then grabbed my second house. Now earlier, I had given the perimeter 2 coats of glow-in-the-dark paint. I added another 2 stack blocks to the upper center, then glued the 2 pieces together, making sure there was a good offset between the 2 houses. The best part of this haunted house is coming up. But if you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll take a second to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, join the Koala crew by subscribing to my channel. Now let's finish up this project. Next was adding these ghosts and bats. I was so excited that I found this pic at Michael's. Because seriously, what's a haunted house without ghosts and bats? I glued a few to the back of the house, then once the glue dried, turned the piece over and glued the rest to the front, saving 1 bat for the actual front of the house. Once the glue dried, I cut some more pieces of web to cover the glue spots. And the final embellishment was to add these purple and black foam flowers to either side of the door. Lastly, I decided it needed a little bit more glow, so I used my glow-in-the-dark paint to outline the ghost eyes and mouths and gave the bats eyes. I also added some random spots to the flowers. This added just the right finishing touch. I am obsessed with how this turned out. I hope this video provides some inspiration for your own fun and spooky haunted house decor. If you haven't done so already, I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification button so that you'll never miss another quick, easy, and affordable craft and DIY project. Also for Halloween is this video of 3 projects that are perfect for your Halloween decor. I hope you'll take a second to check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you have a quality day. With this haunted house, with this haunted house, that's not how I wanted to say. Halloween, that are perfect. Oh, that was good. There we go.